guys to another video. Today I will be okay. Once again, cut. Welcome guys to another video. Today I will be abusing this shotgun XS1. It is a really long name in the ranked lobby. In ranked match I will try to at least. So first of all, let's start this operation, maybe get something good, and we got the bike skin, and the bike skin is good because it is the bike skin, and I don't understand what I'm trying to say. So next time we are definitely going to get weapon XP card, and you can also tell me what I should upgrade next, which weapon should I upgrade next. So we will see the loadout later on. Let's first start this game. And today it is a really proud moment for me because I woke up early in the morning and I started recording. It is a really rare thing for me to wake up. So it is firing range map, which is really bad. First of all, we will show the enemies. We have an SMG, and after that we will take this, because you have to fool the enemies. It's like the first thing you have to do in this game. It's fooling the enemies. It's a fake fallback. It's like that, but it's better. And the enemy is dead. My teammate stole the kills. We need to do something. Boom. That's how you kill someone. I really should get a controller or something like that. Because now the forefinger is getting annoying. Oh, why am I shooting? One victory, Roger. I don't know why I'm singing that song. Maybe because I'm watching too much of the. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, nice. Let's try to find some enemies. We're done with it. Shoot, and we're gonna shoot this guy as well because we have to. What? Okay, so I think there is a new glitch in this game. It's bugged or something like that. Alright. Ooh, diamond camo or something like that. No, it's not a diamond camo. It's just something. It's something, but it's not a diamond camo. Of course. So we will try to find an enemy. Here's an enemy. We kill the enemy, and then we poof. We shoot the hunter killer drone. Oh my god! Enemy, you kill me. Hit marker, and we kill the enemy. This is really fun. I am having fun. I woke up early in the morning for this. Actually, it's quite fun. Using a shotgun, especially this one, is really fun. Those one-shot kills are absolutely worth waking up in the morning. Boom! Oof! Oh! Should I call this? Okay, I need to be in a safe area. Let's just boom. I'm trying to trick shot. Oh my god. XS1 Goliath in ranked mage. Guys, what are the chances? Activate. We have activated the XS1 Goliath. Let's just bring this down. What the hell is happening? And we killed a guy, and we killing another guy. And what is this music? and we kill another guy, and we kill another guy, and we okay, there are another guy. There is another guy here. There are another guy. Minor assist. इस बटन से क्या होता है? Oh shit. This music is scaring me. I need to turn off this music. It is really scary. Bruh, we about to win, bruh. Let's find some dudes, bruh. And we won, bruh. We won, guys. We won. And the last match, the last kill was from this Carsonia guy. मजा ही आ गया. Oh no, I spoke the wrong language again. It was only an English video for some reason. And I will also make a new video. So we are officially a veteran now. We are a professional gamer, guys. We are a professional gamer because we are a veteran now. Earn Avenger in match, MP match. What is Avenger? Ooh, I got 12 kills. Oh my god. Let's check the mail. Okay, why am I in the guidelines again? Let's check the mail. Ooh, again 44 ruptured steel. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice. Let's check anything new. Now fix suppressor. Who use that if you get this and this? Just look at that. I mean, the suppressor, it's basically useless. I guess I am going to upgrade this gun so that I can at least use it at some point, because you know, they as well अब तक की सबसे रद्दी gun, and I've got 3 skins for this now. Ooh, the best one is this, I guess, upper hand. Never mind, the video was really getting so long, so I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that